To edit the mobile view in Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, where you can access the website you want to edit. To begin editing, click the Edit button at the top left of the screen. This will give you access to various editing options, including editing the site header, adding blocks or text, and more. At the top right, you'll see the option to switch between desktop and mobile views. Selecting the mobile view will allow you to see how your website looks on a mobile device and make any necessary changes. You can edit the site header, add sections, modify text, and adjust styles to ensure your website looks its best on mobile. By making these changes, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing website that translates well across different devices.